What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Billy and I'm with Colorado Slingshot. So here's the deal guys. Today it's raining. We're on the way down to Denver to pick up my boy Nick, who you'll get to meet in a few minutes. And then if the weather holds up, we're going to head down over to Adams Polishes in North Denver. Now if you've never used Adams Polishes, I can tell you that stuff is amazing. It's phenomenal. It's probably the best car wash, best car care material really made. So we're gonna get a chance, gonna go by their showroom, their headquarters, and check things out. And it's gonna be a good time. You know, it's gonna suck riding in the rain. I've got 306 miles on the odometer. This is week 2 of having this slingshot, a sling blade as I'll call it. And I'm excited. I'm gonna throw my helmet on because we're gonna be on the interstate. I don't typically wear a helmet, but being on the interstate, it's probably going to be the best thing just to keep the rain and rocks and material out. So until then, we'll see you guys in Denver. Alright guys, well, we just got back here to Denver, and I'm here with my boy Nick.
What's up?
What's going on? Weather looks like it kind of lightened up a little bit. No rain, had a little bit of rain going down. Didn't really get a chance to film anything, but we're going to be doing that here shortly. So this is Nick's first time in a slingshot. So first impressions, Nick. What do you think? Just first impressions. What do you like?
Sexy, smooth, man. Attention grabber. I like it a lot. Bound to turn a lot of heads. Got some good power. The torque ratio on this is phenomenal, especially with it being as light of a vehicle as it is. To have this much torque, get a lot of giddy up, make it fun.
Fun indeed. That's what we're talking about. That's the whole thing behind this machine, is fun. Fun, effing fun. So I think what we're off to eat, right? We're gonna go get some pho. Is that what we're gonna do? We're gonna go eat.
Exactly.
We're gonna head over to Adam Polish. So yeah, let's roll. Alright guys, well, little update to get the guys from Adams back here detailing the old sling blade for you guys. And I tell you, to be honest with you, this stuff is amazing. The difference that it makes is just unreal. I can't talk enough about it. The guys, the owners, everyone here who's been working on it has been phenomenal, have been nothing but helpful. We're going to show you guys a few more things. We're just finishing wrapping up, cleaning the actual rims and the tires, and once we do that, man, I think we're gonna be ready to go out tonight, show off a little bit. Yeah, we'll kind of see how it finishes up.
Alrighty, so next I'm using the Eco wheel cleaner.
Now, Eddie, are the products, are they made here locally, or are they made in the States, or are they made overseas?
They're made right here.
Oh.
This is where we make them at.
You hear it right. This is made in the USA.
Made in the USA.
This is it, man. You support good local business.
All day.
You come to Adams Polish, I'm telling you right here, man. You get it. They're going to hook you up. They're not farming anything out overseas. This stuff is made right here. Good old Thornton. Are we in Thornton now?
Yes, sir.
We're in Thornton, Colorado. If you guys are local, you need to come out and check it out. Those of you who are in the Colorado Springs area, it's not too much of a drive. Come up, pick your stuff up. You can pick it up online. This is a great job. You're coming up from the Springs. You're coming up from Pueblo. Man, if you're coming down from Northern Fort Collins, you come down. They have a showroom. We're going to show you in just a few minutes. They're going to have everything that you need right here. Okay guys, day 2 at Adams Polish. I'm gonna tell you, it's really cool. They've got some guys cooking some barbecue, some burgers, some hot dogs. We just had a brand new 2018 Lamborghini Huracan just showed up. I think they're gonna be doing some detailing on that. They've got an awesome Camaro, some Porsches, some AMG GTRs actually gonna be is in the showroom, and this is gonna be a really just kind of an awesome day. I'm gonna get a chance to really kind of show you guys what Adams can do, show you their product, show you what they can do for paint correction, ceramic coating, anything you need. They're gonna be here to help you out. So in just a few minutes we'll get started, and yeah, we'll show you guys what they've got to offer.
Everything I have is right here.
Alright guys, we're finished up here at Adams. I'm gonna tell you what, it doesn't get any better than this. You need your car clean, you want the best material for your Slingshot, for your car, your mama's car, whatever it takes, it don't matter. You come down here to Adams Polishes and Thornton, and you see my man Eddie right here. He's gonna hook you up, and he's gonna take care of you, and he's gonna show you the real deal. He's gonna show you. I mean, actions speak louder than words, and I'm gonna tell you, it doesn't get better than this. So Eddie, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for all your hard work, and we look forward to working with you guys soon. So thanks again. We'll see you.